Have you ever wondered how computers learn to read, write, or see? The secret is neural networks, computational systems inspired by the human brain. These networks are structured into three main layers. The input layer receives raw data, like pixels or text. Hidden layers do the heavy computational lifting. And the output layer makes the final decision. Let's look at the math in action with an email spam filter. If we analyze keywords like free and offer represented as a vector, the neurons compute a weighted sum of inputs plus bias, then pass it through a ReLU activation function. The output neuron uses a sigmoid function to calculate the final probability here, a 63% chance of being spam. But how does it get smart? Training is an iterative loop. In forward propagation, the network makes a prediction. It calculates the error using a loss function, computes gradients using the chain rule of calculus, and adjusts weights in backpropagation using algorithms like gradient descent to minimize future errors. From CNNs classifying medical images to RNNs and transformers translating languages, neural networks are the core engine of modern AI.